Hi everyone, welcome to Teacher Touchpoints. It's March 6th, 2024. Let's take a look at a current event in the subject of biology. A study conducted by researchers from the Keck School of Medicine explored the relationship between smoking and epigenetic changes among different racial and ethnic groups. According to the CDC, epigenetics is the study of how your behaviors and your environment can cause changes that affect the way your genes work. This is different than genetic changes because epigenetic changes are actually reversible and do not change your DNA sequence, although they can change how your body reads a DNA sequence. One type of epigenetic change is called DNA methylation. DNA methylation works by adding a chemical group to DNA. This chemical group is usually added to specific places on the DNA, so it blocks the proteins that attach to DNA to read the gene. This chemical group can be removed through a process called demethylation. So typically methylation turns genes off and demethylation turns genes on. The Keck School of Medicine study analyzed data from over 2,500 individuals across 6 distinct racial and ethnic groups. Researchers found 408 DNA methylation markers associated with smoking, including 2 that varied based on race or ethnicity. One of these markers was shown in African American smokers, while another was more pronounced in Latino smokers. These markers were linked to genes involved in cancer progression and other diseases. The study used total nicotine equivalents, or TNEs, to accurately measure smoking exposure rather than relying solely on self-reported data. TNEs is a biological measure of nicotine uptake that measures levels of nicotine with a urine sample, leading to more accurate calculations. The findings suggest that TNEs provide additional insights into the impact of smoking on health. Their next step is to investigate how these epigenetic changes contribute to lung cancer risk. Overall, the study highlights the importance of considering race and ethnicity in understanding the effects of smoking on health and suggests potential avenues for improving risk prediction and treatment.